Many large factories who make hot dogs have no problems in fermentation and baking, but got stuck in the forming section and brought down the entire line. The thickness of the pressing surface is uneven and the tension of the roll surface is unstable, or the sealing fit is not firm and the conveying positioning is inaccurate. Yoslin can help you. The hot dog forming section of the modern factory is fully integrated with intelligent forming, multi-level pressing at a constant speed, rolling out flat dough step by step. Don't destroy the gluten structure and ensure uniform dough tension. Multiple sets of circular cutters can accurately control the width according to product specifications. Equipped with a servo fixed link cutter, the dimensional accuracy is high. Want to produce long hot dog or square toast? The touchscreen can switch production modes with one click. No need to disassemble and replace multiple sets of molds. The entire change process can be completed in 10分钟 use. Precisely aligned and rolled, spirally wound evenly and tightly. The seal fits seamlessly, without air inclusion or bubbling. Cooperate with dynamic fixed link cutting system. The length, weight and curl of each hot dog are highly uniform. Completely solve the problems of batch color difference, deformation and cracking. Equipped with fully automatic bread tray machine, the formed bread is automatically diverted along the conveyor belt. Accurate placement into the baking trays. 3 rows of synchronous conveying without adhesion or extrusion.